at times like this where you really just want to say F it and throw the towel in and quit. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la. Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shells, and if you love all things sewing and fashion, then you are in the right place. Guys, it's been a while. I really have no excuse for taking so long to drop another video, but actually maybe I do. I went on holiday back in February, and I don't know about you, but every time I go on holiday, it takes me a while to get back into my normal routine, and I was in a good routine and flow of posting content regularly at least once every week here on YouTube, and I kind of fell out of that since coming back from holiday. But I am sitting on a lot of content. Of course, I have a holiday vlog. I went to New York, guys, so I do have a vlog of that coming up. I also sewed a few pieces before I went to New York, so I've got a couple of sew alongs as well. And I also have a fabric haul. I picked up just a couple bits of fabric from New York. Today's video, however, is all about creating something stylish and of course handmade. So this video is in collaboration with Solace Leather, and they recently sent me one of their leather bag making kits. And honestly guys, this isn't my first time making a 100% hand sewn bag, and using these kits is really where craftsmanship meets fashion. They're a brand focused on leather bag making kits, but in a way that feels really elevated but also accessible. The whole idea is bringing leather craftsmanship to everyday people, even if you've never made anything before. Their kits come with everything you need, from pre-cut leather to tools, and also step-by-step guidance. So even if you are a beginner, you can create a bag that looks like it's been made by a professional. They offer different kits too, like handbags, crossbody bags, and even wallets. So you can kind of choose your style depending on what it is that you're into. This is not my first time using one of these kind of kits to make myself a bag. And what I will say is, one of the things I love the most about this process is how therapeutic it is. And the whole concept is about slowing fashion down. So you're not just buying a bag, you are literally creating your own statement piece. The kit that I'll be using today is this Bottega-inspired kit, which is in this color called Milky Apricot. And this choice of color was very intentional, guys. As you know, I am an intentional sewist, and I went for this neutral color because I know it's going to be very versatile and endlessly wearable. It's going to go with almost everything I have in my wardrobe. The website does say these kits take about 2 to 4 hours to make, but being somebody who's made these kits before, and I know this bag is quite small, and even as somebody with a bit of experience, 2 to 4 hours is underestimation. I think it's going to take a little longer than that. You can definitely get it done in a day as a beginner, and even with experience, I think a day is more realistic than 2 to 4 hours, but I guess we will soon find out. So if you're into fashion with a bit of a personal touch, then hopefully you will enjoy this video. And I think there's nothing left for me to say, guys, apart from let's get into making this bag. having to unstitch this bag again, guys, for about the third time, and I'm only on this little corner, so we are not off to the smoothest start. I am following the instructions, but sometimes you come across a tricky piece in the making process, whether it be sewing clothes or sewing bags in my case, and it just has you for a moment. And I really do hope I figure this out soon, because I've got 3 other corners to go. So yeah, it's at times like this where you really just want to say F it and throw the towel in and quit. But what I've learned in all my years of sewing is that the perseverance always pays. Well, 9 out of 10 times perseverance pays off. I absolutely love this bag. It's giving Bottega vibes, and I know it's going to look cute once it's done, but as with most things, we have to just see the process through to the end. So I'm going to continue. product, guys. My handmade Bottega-inspired designer bag. Definitely took me a lot longer than 2 to 4 hours to make, but as I knew it would be, the process was very therapeutic. This bag is very supple, a lot more so than some of the bags I have sewn in the past, and the reason for that may be because I had to turn this bag inside out. So it was sewn completely inside out, kind of like sewing clothes. You sew inside out and turn to the right side, and that was the same case for this bag, and that may be why this leather had to be supple enough to enable the bag to be flipped from wrong side to right side. Solace Leather was kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys, so if any of you are interested in adding a statement piece to your wardrobe this spring, you can go ahead and use my discount code Shells10. I will leave it on the screen. Also, I'll leave the link to their website in the description box below and the first pinned comment as well. But yeah, I love the features of this bag. I love the crossbody strap. I actually really like this color as well, and as I said, it's giving designer but on a budget. Overall, I really enjoyed this process. I knew I would because it's not the first bag that I've made, and of course all that's left for me to really do is style her, and I will show you exactly how I will be wearing my new bag this spring. It this far in the video, guys, thank you so much as always for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. By just clicking on that thumbs up button and showing that you liked this video, it helps it to reach more people who may also enjoy my content. So please, if you haven't already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment and let me know not just what you think of this bag, but also what you think about how I chose to style her as well. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Ooh, la, la, la.